Hello everyone, I'm Ghantasala Vaishnavi, studying final year MBBS in Apollo Medical College. I have secured a state rank of 252 in my undergrad NEET. I am glad to be a part of the Young Doctors Camp. I met a lot of people around my age who were so enthusiastic, so curious, so different from different schools. Around the hospital, we were given a tour of the hospital, the laboratories, the operation theatres. We also got to see an appendicectomy, which was laparoscopically done. We learned a lot of things. Such a young age, it's an amazing opportunity to get such a deep insight into how a doctor's life would be, how pursuing career in medicine would help you, and you will get a brief idea. And we don't get to see such things until we enter medical colleges, and it is an amazing initiative taken by Yashoda Hospitals for such young students. I would like to be a part of many more such camps, and I would definitely visit Yashoda Hospitals during my internship and learn a lot more stuff, get a better experience and a better exposure. And I would highly recommend all the students who are watching this video right now to join such camps and learn a lot more, get practical exposure and have a lot of fun during the course. Thank you.